Hello, friends. Welcome back to Chalk and Test with me, Sangavi Muthukumar. Today, in our grammar class, we are going to see what is tense and what are its types. Also, we are going to discuss few tips on how to use the words have, had, and has. Come on, let's begin. First, tenses means it is to describe when the action has taken place. That is, it describes the time of action of verb. For example, whether the action has taken place today or the action has done in the past or it is going to happen in future. Tenses can be classified into three types based on the time. They are present tense, past tense, and future tense. Under each tense, there are four more subtenses to specifically denote the exact time of action. They are simple tense, continuous tense, perfect tense, and perfect continuous tense. We will deal with each category individually in the upcoming videos. Now, let us see the usage of words have, has, and had, and how they should be used along with tenses. Look at this table column. This table gives a quick preview of our lesson. The first column denotes first person, second person, third person. The second column denotes present tense and the last column denotes past tense. Here we have omitted future tense because in English language the use of present and past tense is sufficient enough to make a conversation, and also these two are the main tense forms to be learned. Let's see the table column a little closer. I and we are called as first person. I is first person singular. Singular means a single quantity, one man. And we is first person plural. More than one person is called plural. So we is plural here. Next, second person, you. So you can be referred as singular and also can be referred as plural. Even if there is one person, we will mention him as you. Even if there are group of persons, we will mention them as you. So it can be used in singular and plural form. Next, third person, he, she, and it. He is used to refer male, she is used to refer a female, and it is used to measure other things such as dog, animals, cat, etc. So, he, she, it are third person singular and third person plural is they. A group of persons can be referred as they. Now look at the next column, present tense. In present form, we should use have for I, we, you and they. For third person singular alone, we should use has. That is for he, she and it. In past form, we must use had for all the three persons because it is a completed activity. So had should be used for I, we, you, he, she, it and they. We can now look into examples. In present tense, see the examples given here. I have a pen. I. So it is first person singular. So we should use have. Next, we have a car. So we is first person plural. So we are using have. Next, do you have an idea? You is second person. So also we have to use here have. Next, he has to go to office. He is third person singular. So as we said, for third person singular alone we have to use has. Next, she has lost her mobile phone. She is again third person singular, so we must use has. Next, it has a tail. It is also a third person singular, so we must use only has here. We should not say it have a tail. We should not say he have to go. We should not say she have lost. So it will be a wrong form. Next, they have come to see you. Here they is third person plural. For third person plural we must use have. So they have come to see you. Next, look at the past tense. Same as we saw in the tableau column. Instead of have and has in past tense, everything must be replaced with had. So I had, we had, you had, he had, she had, it had and they had. So this is the usage of have, has and had. These are some important things to be known before appearing for any type of competitive exams. Many grammar questions focus on these things. That's all. If you like this tip, like and share and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you.